Hey y'all, welcome to this new video. So today I'm gonna be doing my apartment tour. This is not really my apartment, this is only temporary, but either way, I feel I need to cleanse the space and make it more adaptable. And so I'm gonna go through my apartment and show you guys what I think needs changing, and then we are gonna head to Skillshare to see some videos. And from that inspiration, we are gonna change my space to really upgrade my energy in my space. So stay tuned to see what upgrades we can make and what we can learn along the way. So I feel like I want to redo like my vantage point so that like when I'm sitting here. So this is my vantage point as it clearly is from where I usually sit, which is here on my bed. So you can hear it's really loud outside. And also this is just like a mess. That's really ugly. This is okay, but like this is ugly. And then this is cool. So I just sat down on my computer and I am on Skillshare. So I am watching the holistic interior design class. And so the goal of this design is to transform your personal space for your well-being. It's hosted by Clear Studios and it's available on Skillshare. And so what makes Skillshare unique? Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives. They have thousands of creative classes and it's designed for creatives by creatives. They have a learn by doing approach and an on-demand platform. So that's super awesome. I'm literally on there right now. These are all the classes that I've already bookmarked to do. So like, yeah, there's no shortage of interesting classes on here. And the great thing is a lot of these are like under an hour. So like you could do them in a day. Like you just have a day off and you're just like, let me watch this class. I mean, I know you guys with families don't have time for that, but like if you're interested, check out that description because I will have a link below for you to click to get a free month. And so the first 500 people to use the link will receive 1 month free trial on Skillshare. And so this class is super awesome. So I told you guys I'm trying to make this space more enjoyable and have a better energy for me. So that's why this class really appealed to me. So that's what I'm really looking to learn from this class, is how to cultivate my space so that it like suits me better. So I'm really excited to start this class. And it's awesome because Skillshare is actually sponsoring this video. So that's really cool. And like, even if interior design is not your thing, they have tons of other classes. Like I think I'm gonna do like the write your screenplay story next, or maybe the art journaling, or maybe even the blackout poetry. Like there's so many things to do. So that's awesome. I'm really excited to have this membership. And guess what? The first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive 1 month free of Skillshare. So let's get started today. All right, so I just watched the Skillshare video by Clear Studio, and I know I need to go through my space with my senses and see like what I can detect as like improvable. So let's get started. So this is my bed. I do like the color as well as the sheets, and I made it. This is actually looking good for my bed, but it's a little, there's still cat hair on it because obviously I have a cat. I like the closet. I think this looks fine. And then here's me. This I would cover, but I don't really know what to do with it. This is the focal spot. Like this all needs to change. This I can't do anything about. It doesn't even work. It's actually a good vantage point for videos. This I could change. This I could change. I have all this trash that needs to go out, as well as this is affecting like, I don't even know if you can like see me correctly right now because all you see is just like white, right? So like clearly I need some work to do on cultivating my space so that I can have a better like backdrop for y'all, because like that feels really exhausting, right? Like you're like, what is behind her? So this is what I hear in my apartment. So it's really loud. So like that's probably gonna be a problem. But look how lovely this lighting is. This is all natural. I have no lights on right now. So pros and cons. Also, the window is open right now. I'm trying to get some airflow. So after watching that class, I have learned I need to find a focal point in my room and display objects that are meaningful to me, that I actually like want to look at all day. So like not this mess. So all this needs to go. And although this is a working focal point, I think I can make it work. So that's gonna be a little test for me. I already closed the window, so that reduces the sound noise, and I took out the trash. So the trash is gone and already is cleaning the energy in my space. So that's great. And let's redo this focal point with objects that are meaningful for me. So let's do it. So this is my after look and my after table. I'm pretty happy about it because now when I sit like over in my spot and I look over at my vantage point, this is what I see. Which is just way nicer. So thank you so much to this video and Skillshare for teaching me that. And if you would like to become a member as well, so you can access thousands of classes, you can join using the link in my description. The first 500 fans to use that link will get a free month of Skillshare, and there are so many classes you could watch in just 1 month. So be sure to check it out no matter what your interests are. So final product, I was sure to include a variety of textures, from this hat to this Vera Bradley purse. These are all keepsakes from events that I've been to, like this candle, or places I've been to, like the thrift store here and New York and Northern California. And this I got from the bar. So yes, they're all meaningful items to me, and they have a variety of appealing neutral colors and patterns. Final product. So much nicer and cleaner and more appealing to look at. Well, there you have it. I updated my space to improve my energy flow and all my emotions and feels. And I used the information that I learned in my holistic interior design class to do so. So huge success. I think I'm gonna take a nap in my comfy bed as a reward. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe as always. XOXOXO at the ilybabe.